Swomee-Swans lush, full of Truffula trees, where creatures danced in the fragrant breeze. Came a man with greed in his eyes so wide, seeking to profit, to own, to divide. The Once-ler arrived with dream and scheme, spinning Thneeds in expanding factory supreme. He chopped and cleared, he took with no thought, till nature was shattered, polluted, distraught. Yet creatures once thrived in their emerald home, frolicked, Swomee-Swans roamed, humming fish leapt in the shimmering streams, in a world once woven with wonder and dreams. But machines roared louder than birds' tune. The sky grew dim beneath dust and ruin. Each tree that fell sent tremors and cries. Yet the Once-ler ignored the Lorax's sighs. The Lorax stood firm, with a voice unshaken, a guardian of life, of all once forsaken. Stop this madness, he pleaded once more. Your greed will destroy what you adore. Yet profit was king in the Once-ler's mind. His factory expanded, the world left behind. The rivers ran thick with filth and despair, till the humming fish fled, no clean water there. Barbaloots, weak, their food supply drained. No Truffula fruits in forests unchained. The Swomee-Swans, wings heavy with soot, could no longer sing, could barely stay put. The Lorax grew weary, his warnings ignored. The Once-ler still claims, still took, still hoarded, till one day at last the final tree fell, and silence replaced what once thrived so well. All was lost.